How to remove Read.AI from Google Meet. In this video, I'll show you how to remove Read.AI from Google Meet. So to get started, go ahead and open Read.AI into your browser, sign into your Read.AI account, and then click on your name at the bottom left of your screen. So click on your display name, and once you click on it, you'll be able to find the settings button. So click on account settings from here, and that will take you into Read.AI account setting. So in here, go ahead and head over into the meeting record tab, and then from here, make sure to disable auto join meetings. So if you want to fully disconnect Read.AI from Google Meet, you need to go ahead and disable the integration between your Google Calendar and your Read.AI account. So click disconnect to stop Red from accessing your meeting schedule. So since we have enable Read.AI to access the Google Calendar of our account, Read.AI would immediately detect if there are upcoming meets scheduled to our account. And to be able to permanently remove that feature, we'll need to disconnect Google Calendar from Read.AI. Now, if you have Read.AI added into a live meeting, what you can do to remove it is to go ahead and open the participant list in Google Meet, and then locate the Read.AI bot, usually named Read Assistant, and click the three dots next to its name and select Remove from Meeting. And that is how you can basically remove Read.AI from Google Meet. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.